With the Artemis moon mission happening right now, a lot of people are feeling very nostalgic for the glory days of NASA in the 1960s with the Apollo missions. But did you ever wonder what came before the Apollo missions? There were two different space programs before the Apollo missions, Gemini and Mercury, which was America's first manned first manned space program. And this is a real-life Mercury capsule that astronauts actually flew in. The Mercury capsule was the first capsule to take an American into outer space, and all Mercury did, they just wanted to see, could we get a man into orbit and bring him back safely? That was it. So it was a very simple capsule. Only one person could fit in it. This is the spacesuit that the Mercury astronauts would wear. And so if you're a space nerd like me, you would know about Alan Shepard, who was the first American in space. He often gets overshadowed by Neil Armstrong, the first person on the moon. But this is what Alan Shepard flew in, the very first American to go into space. He wasn't the first person in space. The Russians beat us to that. But this is what he would have flown in. And this is a real one. So I wonder, this one, if it says like what mission this flew on. I'm too ADHD to read all of that, so I'm going to skip that. But then what came after Mercury? The next program before Apollo was called Gemini, and it's right here. This is the Gemini capsule, which is like a bigger version of the Mercury capsule, but it could fit two astronauts, and they would practice certain things while in space that they needed to know how to do for the Apollo missions, like moonwalks and docking with other spacecraft.